NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token, a digital representation of a unique asset. It could be artwork, music, property titles, car titles, patents, or even digital collectibles. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, NFTs aren't interchangeable. Each one is one of a kind, and they're stored on the blockchain, meaning they're immutable and verifiable. Once created, no one can change or fake them. NFTs help creators prove ownership and authenticity. You can sell them, trade them, or showcase them, like on OpenSea, one of the biggest NFT marketplaces. The pro, you control your asset. No middleman, no approval needed. But the con, it's still early. Is it too decentralized for things like legal documents? Time will tell. Still, NFTs are revolutionizing digital ownership in the world of Web3. Like what you learned, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simplified digital world content.